Welcome, dear students. Now we will start with the applied grammar part of our syllabi. It's our 16th lesson, and our today's topic is articles. What are articles? A, an, and they are used before certain nouns, and they actually qualify those nouns, so that way we can say that they are actually adjectives, and they are known as articles. That means a, an, and they are known as articles. They are really demonstrative adjectives because they demonstrate certain nouns. Articles are of two types: indefinite article and second is definite article. First, let us take indefinite articles. Indefinite article, a or an, is called the indefinite article because it doesn't point out any particular person or thing, or in other words, what we say that it usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. For example, we say a ball, a book, an owl, or we say I saw an eagle on a tree. He is a poet, she is a writer, etc. And the second type is definite article. This is called the definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. Like we can say the Atlantic Ocean, it's a particular, the Himalayas. This is the eagle I saw. It means some particular eagle. It doesn't refer to any eagle. For any eagle, we can use a or an, we can use an. But if it refers to some particular eagle, here it is some particular eagle, that's why we have used the definite article the before eagle. Similarly, this is the tree I saw. That means it is some particular tree. It doesn't refer to any tree, but it refers to some particular tree. That means there is some special about this tree, or it has some particularity. So this is what is called as the definite article they. Now coming to the rules, so general rules, first we will start with general rules. Rule number one, we say as in a general sense that a common noun but which is at the same time a countable noun. That means we can count it one, two, three, like etc. So a common noun and as well as that is a countable noun in the singular number have indefinite article a or an before it. When we talk of something, some person or something in a general sense, that means it's a common noun, as well as that time it's a countable noun, and it is in a singular number. We use definite article a or an before it. For example, this is a book, that means any book. This is a table, any table. Or this is an orange, that means any orange, and it doesn't refer to any particular orange, it simply means an orange. And I saw a woman, any woman we can say, so that's why we have used a. Or we say I have an umbrella, that means any umbrella. But when a common noun, again I'm saying it at the same time, it's a countable noun in the singular number becomes particular in some sense or in some way, then the definite article the is used before it. That means when a common noun becomes particular, when we are referring to something, we know or it is something particular, then the definite article is used. For example, we say the apple is on the table. That means it refers to some particular apple and it refers to some particular table. Unlike here in this example, it was any table and we can say any orange, but here it refers to like the apple or the orange is on the table. That means it refers to some particular fruit and it refers to some particular table. Or in the second example, the woman I saw is my friend's mother. That means it's not just any woman, it's a particular woman. And who is that woman? She is my friend's mother. Rule number three, as a general rule, we say common nouns, which are countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns. For example, it's a countable noun, it's a countable noun, it's an uncountable noun. We can't count it, it's an uncountable noun. When they are in the plural number, they don't have any article before them. Like we say, birds build nests, children like sweets, I like rice, I like music. But when common nouns, both countable nouns and uncountable nouns, in the plural number become particular in some sense, the definite article they is used before them. So, for example, we say here, the children of this house don't like the sweets sold in the market. So, it refers, it's not just children in the general sense, but it refers to some particular children. And the sweets, it doesn't refer to any sweets, but it refers to the particular sweets sold in the market. So, in general, we say that common nouns, when they are in countable nouns, they are in plural number, they don't have any article before them. But when common nouns in the plural number become particular in some way, then definite article the is used before them. Rule number 5, when we talk about a person or thing, a common noun, for the first time, we use the indefinite article a or an before it. For example, we say, I saw a man, I saw a boy eating an orange. But when we talk about a person or thing, again a common noun, a second time, we use the definite article the before it, because that time that person or thing or that common noun becomes particular. And that's why we use the definite article the before it. For example, if we are saying about it for the first time, we have used a man saw a boy eating an orange. But when we say talk about the person for the second time, like in this example, we use the definite article. Like the man gave the boy a basket of orange. That means it is this man, but we are talking about it second time. So now it has become some particular man. And this boy has also become a particular boy because now we are talking about him the second time, and that's why we have used the definite article before it. So as general rules, we can say that indefinite article is used with common nouns in singular form, and when and definite article they is used with common nouns, but when they become particular in some sense, in one way or in other way. These are the general rules about it, and we will continue with the topic, and there we will and then in our next lesson we will discuss about the use of a, use of an, and use of the separately. Thank you today. This is for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.